So I'm going to talk about something that's a little interesting. You could have a good number of Google Business Profile reviews that are just completely invisible for whatever reason. The way we stumbled onto this is because we're trying to get more Google reviews for our profile. And we talked to two different clients and had them leave reviews after walking them through the process. Unfortunately, after seeing the notification for the review, seeing the review on the profile and seeing our number go up, a couple days later, the reviews were just gone for I don't know why. We ended up getting in touch with Google and they did an investigation and they found out that not only did those two reviews not violate any of their policies, but there were another 7 reviews in addition to that that didn't violate them either. What this resulted in was us increasing our 5-star review count by 9 more reviews. And there could have been people that just left the review out of their own volition that we never would have known about if we didn't go through and actually talk to Google and say, hey, check this out. So I'm just going to walk through that here really quickly because you can certainly have some of these reviews yourself. And it's just a matter of getting in touch with Google and saying, hey, check out my Google business profile and make sure that I'm not missing anything. Because if you can get another 10, 20, 30 additional reviews, it's going to give you a nice boost in your perception online right away. So let's talk about exactly what I did here. So what I did was I pulled up our business on Google and I opened the Google Business Profile settings here. I went into the 3 dots and I clicked on Help and Support. After that, I just went all the way to the bottom and then press Contact Us. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through a form where you're going to select your business, and then you're just going to type in something like, my Google reviews disappeared. Next, they're just going to, give you a few prompts here. So, review missing. We can skip all of this, next step, and then contact options being email. Then you just need to fill this out. So your name, your address, phone number, etc. And just explain what's going on. What we said here was, hey, we had someone leave us 2 reviews over the last month that we asked for. They don't appear to be violating your policy because we read your policy and we see what's good, what's bad, etc. But the reviews don't appear to be violating that. And so we're looking to see what's going on. Can you check on these? So we filled that out and then we submitted it, and it actually led us to this conversation. So they went ahead and they told us this thing, which I think is somewhat of an auto reply. And I replied back as soon as I could and I said, we don't believe these reviews violated policy. Additionally, none of the other circumstances apply to our profile or situation. And so they dropped the conversation. We didn't hear back from them. And so I had to follow up. So if that conversation drops, definitely stay on top of them because they'll just let it go by the wayside if you don't pay attention. So anyway, I followed up and then someone actually replied. That person not only replied, but they went ahead and they looked and they said, okay, we found and reinstated the reviews that don't violate Google's policies. There were a few that did violate the policy, so we didn't reinstate them. Again, no idea which ones they are, no way of really knowing. But, he just reiterates what the policies are, et cetera. But what that resulted in was us going from 15 to 24 reviews with just an email getting in touch with them. So, like I said, I highly encourage that you go through this for yourself. Stay on top of Google because they will certainly drop the conversation if you just kind of forget about it. And just see if there's anything that can be restored because a lot of the reviews that were gathered over the last few years could have disappeared. They could have vanished. I know that Google was operating differently when COVID was happening and a few other things because, a lot of the reviews they restored were from 2021 and 2022. Just make sure to get in there and ask about that. Make sure that they are not hiding your reviews. Make sure that they're bringing them to the light because you worked hard to get those. And they should all be showing up on your profile. So I just wanted to record this quick video and share this information, and I hope it gave you a lot of value. So we'll see you next time.